Alright, folks, let's take a look at this case. The owner went nose in because it seemed more convenient at the time. Another possibility is that when they parked, there was no car on the left or right. But when they tried to leave, the lane was too narrow. So once the car pulled out, it got stuck in this position. So this video is here to remind everyone, try not to park nose in. Unless you are driving an EV with the charging port at the front. Let's roughly recreate the situation and go over how to get the car out in a case like this. Look, if you just shift into reverse and turn right, once the car starts coming out, there is no room at the rear and there is no room at the front either. So this approach won't work. So what is the right approach here? If you want the rear to swing out to the right, keep the car as close to the right side as possible. In other words, stay close to the side you are exiting toward. If you're exiting left, hug the left side. If you're exiting right, hug the right side. Once you are close enough, move until your rear is parallel with the front of the car on the right. Then shift into reverse and turn right. At that point, the car can come out much more easily. See, the front now has enough room. Right, then go full left moving forward. Full right moving back. Full left forward. Full right back. And after a few back and forth adjustments, the car will be out. If your sense of the car isn't great, and you can't judge the clearance well, and you are not comfortable getting that close to the right side, take a look at this situation. After the car comes out, it still gets stuck right here. There is no room at the rear, and no room at the front either. At this point, the only thing we can do is shift the rear of the car a bit to the right, and then the car can get out. That's when you use a little reverse reset technique. What does reverse reset mean? It means backing the car up a bit and leaving some space behind the rear end. Then stay in reverse, turn left and bring the body closer to the right side. Once the car is close to the right side, straighten the wheel and move forward. That gives you a sideways shift while reversing. Now the rear of the car is close to the right side. Keep going until your rear end is parallel with the front of the car on the right. Now shift into reverse and turn the wheel fully to the right. And the car will come right out with ease. So, got it, guys? If you can't remember it, save this video so you can find it later. And don't forget to follow